Have you ever wanted to get rid of the hiccups? Of course you have, so watch this video to see how to get rid of them. All you need to get rid of the hiccups is a glass of water, so about a cup of water, and yourself. You need your lungs. Okay. First, you take your water and you fill up a glass of water, and then you need to blow all the air out of your lungs. So just blow everything out, and then you drink the whole cup of water without taking any air in. And by the end of that, you should burp and the hiccups are gone. So let's see how it works. Well, there was the burp. Empty glass of water. Hiccups are gone. So feel free to like this video, comment on the video, check out some of my other videos, and even consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.